Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, I gave you a complete walkthrough of BOM Generator and showed you how it helps organize complex bills of materials into assemblies and subassemblies, automate costing, generate procurement lists, manage engineering drawings, generate BOM reports in PDF, all from a single application. In this video, I'll show you how to deploy the entire system on your own Google account in less than 5 minutes. If you haven't watched the complete product demonstration yet, I highly recommend watching part 1 first. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's get started. The first step is getting your own copy of the project spreadsheet. You'll find the spreadsheet link in the video description below. Once the spreadsheet opens, click File, then select Make a Copy. This creates your own private copy of the complete system, including the database and backend code. Now it's time to deploy the app script backend. From the spreadsheet, click Extensions, then select App Script. This opens the Google App Script editor containing the server-side logic that powers the entire application. In the top right corner, click the blue Deploy button and choose New Deployment. If the deployment type isn't already set to Web App, click the gear icon and select Web App. You can enter any description you'd like, for example, version 1. Now configure these two important settings. For Execute As, select Me. This ensures every request runs using your Google account's permissions. For Who Has Access, select Anyone. This allows the front-end application to communicate with your app script backend. Once everything is configured, click Deploy. Google will now ask you to authorize the application. Click Authorize Access and choose your Google account. You may see a security warning because this is a custom app script project that you've just copied into your own account. This is completely normal. Review the requested permissions. The application needs access to Google Sheets and Google Drive so it can store your bill of materials data, engineering drawings, and generated PDF reports. Click Allow to continue. After a few seconds, the deployment will complete successfully. You'll now see a web app URL ending with /x. Open the web app URL you just copied in a new browser tab. The first time you open the application, you'll be greeted by the Admin Account Setup screen. Enter your administrator username, create a password, confirm your password, then click Create Admin Account. For security, your password is securely hashed before it's stored, meaning it is never saved as plain text. Once your administrator account has been created, you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter the username and password you just created, then click Sign In. Your BOM generator is now successfully deployed. You can now start creating components, building multi-level bills of materials, linking engineering drawings, generating procurement lists, calculating manufacturing costs, and exporting professional PDF reports. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel for more tools and automation solutions designed specifically for manufacturers and engineering teams. If you have any questions during the setup process, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.